how to cut open and remove the seeds from a pomegranate. So many people have problems with that. We're going to demystify it. Say, please support us on Patreon because it's so important. So let's get to this. I'm Chef Don McMillan. We got a pomegranate. We're going to cut it open. You're going to love it. Say, when you subscribe to us on Patreon, we're going to give you exclusive content, early access, behind the scenes videos, and lots of good things with no ads. Wow. All right. Look at this pomegranate. Remove the label. It's from Chile. Isn't that a nice country in South America? Wonderful fruits. I'm going to cut the top off right through here. So just watch that using a paring knife and just cut right through the top. See what it looks like in there? You can see some dividers in there. Okay, so let's just cut down just a little bit more. All right, look, see where the little dividers are in there? You can see where the seed casings are. We're just going to cut down just right through it. Okay, cut down again and just follow where they are. Another one there, and let's see, one right here and right through here. So be sure you cut down, but don't cut it all the way through to the bottom because you're going to leave it open. All right, let me go here, cut. All right, and now you want to open it up. See how it's opening up just like this? Look at that. You see all the little pods in there? See that white part right there in the middle? You want to go ahead and remove that part. Turn it upside down. And here's where the fun begins. Just tap, tap, tap. And the seeds are going to fall out. Look at that, look at that, look at that. You think it's not easy? Look, just keep turning it around. Might get a little bit on your hands, that's okay. Have a deep bowl when you're doing this, or otherwise they're gonna splatter everywhere. Don't want that to happen. Nice deep bowl, just keep tapping hard. You'd be surprised what's happening here. You saw when I cut it, I cut into the white part, the pith. So these are pods that are in there. And you can loosen them all up very, very easily doing that. So I always thought that grenadine was cherry juice. That's the stuff they put in Shirley Temples. How wrong I was of that. It's actually simple syrup with pomegranates. Look at that. I think we're almost done in there. These are high in nutrients, you know that. They're really good. They're part of your daily diet of fruits. And when I was a child, we used to call these Chinese apples. In fact, there's still a few places where it's known like that, but now I suspect that anything we didn't understand could possibly be labeled as that. All right, let's just check this and go underneath and look at that. Can you see that in the video? We got almost every one of those tiny little seeds out of there. Lots of good juice in there, lots of great nutrients. All right, maybe a little few pieces of the white, but you can always pull those out. Look at that, we did such a great job. All right, we no longer need that part of it. This is one of the most ancient fruits out there. Really, started around Persia and worked its way up into the Mediterranean. When you're thinking about Persia, thinking about Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great loved these. Not only that, but go a little bit over into Egypt, and guess who else is famous for eating pomegranates? That's right, Cleopatra. Cleopatra, and then of course Mark Antony and Julius Caesar brought it back to Rome, and now the whole Mediterranean is loving pomegranates. Wow, you're gonna love pomegranates because now you know how to do it so easy. Hey, I got lots of helpful tips to share with you in our future videos, so you definitely want to subscribe. You want to ring that bell. Let us know that you like pomegranates. Maybe you have some great recipes to share with the pomegranates. I'd love to talk to you about that. Put it in the comments. So much more, and please remember, we're on Patreon. Support us. I'm going to give you exclusive content, early access, and a whole bunch of videos and behind the scenes shots you're going to want to see without any ads. All right, look at this.
That looks great.
Wasn't that easy?
Yeah, you made it very simple. Easy to follow.
Yeah, you like my history lesson?
I loved it.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
I like especially when you talked about your mom used to call it the Chinese apple, and then you referred back to it, so we all know why it was called the Chinese apple.
Not because my mom, that's what they said in the supermarket when you went shopping. I never knew these were a pomegranate.
How long ago was that?
More than I can remember. So you know, a little bit of tart, some sweetness.
Yeah, I love it.
Something else I remember from my mom is whenever we cut these things open, we didn't know how to do that. Everything it touched turned red. Our clothes, you can tell, if even your mouth was red. So that's okay, but it's good for you. It's got loaded with antioxidants.
Yeah, I remember Mom used to serve this to us.
That's right.
And my two brothers, we loved eating this.
Well, your mom, my wife, your mom, she loves pomegranates, but she doesn't like to cut them open. She gives me the job.
That's her job.
That's my job. Okay, speaking of jobs, you got a job right now.
All right, I'll tell you what we're going to do. If you like these aprons we're wearing, we're going to give one to you absolutely for free. All you have to do is put in the comments that you subscribe, but you have to subscribe, and then we'll check it out, we'll contact you, and we're going to pick one person out of every 50 subscribers is going to get a brand new apron absolutely for free. No matter where you live in the world, we're going to ship it to you, we'll contact you, get your address, and mail it to you absolutely for free.
Yeah, even
all
Egypt.
Subscribe.
If they're in Egypt, maybe
Mediterranean.
That's right. You can
China.
You can drop Cleopatra's name. We're going to send it to you. Yep.
I hope you like pomegranates because this is fascinating, the way to do it, and interesting, and a lot of fun.
A lot of fun. A lot of fun to eat too.
Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.